Have you ever wondered how your computer operates? What is the magic that transforms your clicks and keystrokes into meaningful actions? Well, the answer lies in the heart of your computer, the operating system. An operating system, often abbreviated as OS, is the software that manages all the hardware and software on your computer. It is the essential component that allows your computer to function. Think of the operating system as the master puppeteer. It pulls the strings, commanding the hardware and software to work together in harmony. But how does it do this? Let's delve into the fascinating world of operating systems to find out. In the first step, when you switch on your computer, the operating system is the first software that comes to life. It performs the initial setup, known as booting, which checks and prepares the hardware for operation. Next, the operating system manages the computer's resources. It coordinates the use of hardware such as the central processing unit, memory, disk drives, and printers, ensuring that these resources are used efficiently. The operating system also acts as a traffic cop, managing the running of multiple applications at the same time. It decides when and how long a program should run, preventing crashes and ensuring that each application gets its fair share of the computer's resources. Moreover, the operating system provides an interface between the user and the computer. It translates your commands into a language that the computer's hardware can understand and responds to your actions, such as clicking a mouse or pressing a key. Finally, the operating system provides a level of security, protecting the computer's data and resources from unauthorized access. It controls who can access the system and what they can do, ensuring the safety and integrity of your data. So, to sum up, an operating system is the mastermind behind your computer's operation. It boots up the computer, manages resources, runs applications, provides an interface for users, and secures the system. It is the unseen force that makes your computer tick. Remember, without an operating system, a computer is just a collection of parts. It is the operating system that brings these parts together and makes them work as a single, cohesive unit. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of your computer. We hope you now have a better understanding of how your computer operates and the crucial role the operating system plays. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions.